Well, the real estate market in Baltimore continues to grow, and the area has seen some real record-breaking numbers this week. Joining us this morning is RE/MAX real estate professional Jon Lahey. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me here.
I spoke with a real estate agent this week who said it's absolutely incredible. It's great for sellers, really not so great for buyers because inventory is so low.
Absolutely. That's what we're encountering right now. A lot of home buyers looking to buy because of the low interest rates, and there's just not that much inventory on the market right now.
So are we getting into some of those bidding wars that we saw so many years ago?
I would say 90% of the homes coming on the market will see a bidding war. If any buyer who's looking at houses right now, I can guarantee you they have probably missed out on a home already.
Wow, that's incredible. And then if you do just a search these days to see what your own home is worth, you might be a little surprised that prices, they've gone up.
They have gone up, and it's partially because of the law of supply and demand. When there's a high demand for a product like a home and we have low inventory like we have now, the prices have been going up. And so you see that all across Baltimore. Prices is up, I believe, like 11% over last year. So anybody who's thinking of selling, that's a huge difference in price.
Wow, no kidding. And it's not exactly the same as it was back in 05 and 06. We're not seeing the big balloon in numbers, but still 11%. That's a pretty big increase.
Huge increase. It's a huge increase. And a lot of buyers with homes to sell, it's a great opportunity because now with rates being low, they can purchase more. And at the same time, with their home priced higher, if they have a home that they need to sell, it's a win-win for people who are moving up to the next home.
Well, okay, so what about the sellers right now? I mean, traditionally when you go to sell your house, sometimes you're going to have to make some big-time major improvements just to get buyers through the door. Are you seeing sellers now doing less renovations because they just simply don't have to?
Yes, we are definitely seeing homeowners doing less to get their home ready right now, just because if you put on the market at the right price, you potentially will get higher than what you're asking for right now. So it's a great opportunity for them.
All right, and if you're a buyer, what is your best advice right now? Jump on the house that you want as fast as you can?
If you're a buyer, here's my advice. Talk to a real estate professional. Talk to a RE/MAX professional. We'll get you in the right position because it's about positioning yourself to win out. It's not just putting in the best offer with the best price. There are other terms out there, so you definitely need a professional to represent you to make sure that when you do find that home that you want, you don't lose out on it. So it's not just price. There are other contingencies that we can structure to make your offer look much more attractive. And at the same time, get yourself pre-qualified. Like, find out exactly what you're qualified for and what you're comfortable with, so that when you find the home of your dream, you're actually in the position to win.
All right, good advice. Jon Lahey from RE/MAX, thanks so much for joining us. Good luck.